So hi guys, today I'm learning prompt engineering. Okay, so it's a third day, and this what we are learning table formatting. Okay, so when I'm practicing, I'm using all the things whatever I learned before and trying to use it. So I become used to it. So when I'm gonna write again the prompt, I can do it better. And I'm giving some time because I think I need to give some time so that I can understand better or use it better. So that's why I'm using study mode, and I hope I can get better in 2 months of time so that I won't have to face any problem. Okay, so step by step upgrade here to make your original format part. Okay, make a table of 2 columns per noun, example sentence. Okay, improved format version, make a table of 2 columns per noun, example sentences, including 6 rows with a very simple example. Column 1 per noun, column 2 example sentence, and number of rows 6. Sentence type simple, much cleaner. Now your turn. Turn your tiny exercise. Rewrite just table, the instruction part using the improved version. Use structure like this. So it's saying that in create 2 columns, it have a 6 row and it have like a pronoun and examples. Write your own words. Don't copy exactly if you don't want. So again, I'm gonna start with like act as a I provide a role as a professional. Professional, okay. Spoken English teacher. I will write what spoken English teacher. Okay. Okay, so first a role. What I want, teach, uh, explain, pronoun, act as a, act as a professional spoken English teacher. That's what happens. I don't know what to write. I know what I want, but I don't know how to write. That's the issue. So I want a spoken English teacher. What teaches? Uh, teach pronoun. Okay, that is the context in a simple and friendly tone. Okay, that's it. And now I have added 3 slug. Make a table with 3 columns. 3 columns. Okay. Pronoun. Okay. Example sentences. Hindi sentences. Okay. Include 6 row with a very simple example for beginners. There's something I remove. I don't know. I've heard that right. Okay. So I will tell you that once you get a good prompt, try to save it. It will really best. Okay. So you have improved prompt and added a Hindi expression column. Perfect for beginners. Your structure is strong. Role: professional spoken English teacher. Task: teach pronoun. Tone: simple friendly. Format table column pronoun example sentence Hindi sentence row 6 audience beginner. So I have added all of that. Okay, in just this small, and I want you know result with that. So now before we generate table, we come to study mode. You learn define one level further. So day 3 table format define skill check. Your prompt is almost perfect, but I want to teach you one last mini improvement. In a table instruction, it's better to specify. My pronunciation is really bad, really bad. So use very short sentences or keep example extremely simple. Okay, this prevent long sentences, difficult grammar, confusing example. So here small question. Sentence 1. Which do you want prefer to add? Use very short sentences. Keep example extremely simple. I found second one much reliable for me. So as you can see that get to keeps examples extremely simple. Okay, right choice. For beginners, your table prompt become fully professional. Let's add final improvement. Your final table prompt day 3 achieved. Here's your update. Clean a professional quality prompt. Act as a professional spoken English teacher who teaches Hindi, okay, who teaches Hindi speakers. Use simple and a friendly tone. Teach pronoun and keep a table. Make a table with 3 columns per noun. Example sentence, Hindi sentences. Include 6 rows and keep all examples extremely simple for beginners. So that is we got it. Okay. Now I'm gonna use this to some other place. Okay. Not in here. It become much more confusing if I use it here. Okay. So I'm gonna use ChatGPT. Okay. And Gemini. Okay. And I'm gonna use a temporary chart so that I can just get that result. There's too much I have. Okay, because of that I get confused what to do. So I have to bookmark all that, whatever is important charts I have. So this is really confusing for me. That's why I'm using temporary chart, so I avoid a lot of issues. So I have put in this here, my prompt, and here's the prompt. So let's see. As you can see what I got here, the concise beginner level English pronoun, very simple. As you can see that that's what I wanted, and for that I think I need to specifically write what I really want. So pronoun table for Hindi speakers. I am happy. Hindi मैं खुश हूँ. You are here. In Hindi तुम यहाँ हो. He is tall. In Hindi वो लंबा है. She is kind. हिंदी वो दयालु है. We are friends. हम दोस्त हैं. They are ready. वे तैयार हैं. So as you can see that I got the thing I really wanted, and for that you need to write it. Okay, like this way. So you can see there's 6, 2, 4, 6. There are 6 of them in 3 pronoun example sentences and Hindi sentences. Whatever we wrote, it's a simple Hindi translation also provided here. So as you can see, we have everything that we wanted. Let's see in Google Gemini what we got. So we got the same thing. As you can see, the 6 of them. Simple pronoun English Hindi. I am happy मैं खुश हूँ. You are a student. तुम या आप एक विद्यार्थी हो. He is tall. वो लंबा है. If you see here, like couple of the things, it's like similar. Yeah. But as you can see that we got what we wanted, and it's a quick note also we got like a on usage. I, मैं is always used to talk about yourself. You, तुम आप is used to talk one person or many person. In Hindi you can use तुम or आप, but in English it's always just you. He, wa is used to one male person, boy or man. She, wa is used for one female person, girl and woman. It, ya, it is used for one thing or one animal. We is used when you're talking about yourself and others together. As you can see that I really like about Gemini's response. We got that, but also quick note usage. If you want like that, we also add it here. Then we can got that same result. Okay. Okay, so we got better. Now it's saying that tomorrow we will learn day 4 style control and how make ChatGPT match your natural speaking. So I got understanding that how to use it. Now I'm not gonna go for day 4th. I'm gonna just try to use it and see what result I can get. So I'll practice for a couple of minutes and then I will stop. So the first thing what we need to write, like the first act as, in that it given the role, so it can much faster. So I will just write act as a act as spoken english english teacher, okay, who is teaching students. If you don't know how to write it, just write in your simple words, but it's gonna be really big, but you can get the answer. So who is teaching students on YouTube. Okay, act, act as a spoken English teacher who is teaching students on YouTube. Okay, write uh, write a script for teaching them pronoun. Use a simple and friendly tone. Okay, okay. Or I said that what we want is write a script for teaching them pronoun. Use a simple and friendly tone. And then what I want now, then I let's just use this one. How I did that. Okay, friendly. Then teach. Also, I will say that also add a table. Also make notes simple, easy to understand. For examples, make a table with 4 columns. 4 columns. First, pronoun. Okay, pronoun. English word in Hindi. Okay, English English. Okay, example sentences. No, English. Okay, English pronoun in Hindi. Voice. English voice pronoun in Hindi. I'm making mistake. I don't know, but just try in Hindi. Then example sentences, and then I want Hindi sentences. No, English voice written in Hindi. Okay, English sentences voice written in Hindi, and then Hindi sentences. So whatever you want, write it as much as you can, so you can get a better idea. So I got this one. Okay, so you can see that hello students. It's a YouTube script for pronoun beginners. So introduction. Okay, and then teacher notes pronoun word used instead of name. Have to avoid repeating name. Okay, explain friendly tone. जैसे अगर हम बार बार बोले रवि इज ईटिंग रवि इज हैप्पी, तो यह रिपीट हो रहा है. इसके जगह आई कैन सिंपली से रवि इज ईटिंग ही इज हैप्पी. यह एक pronoun है. Pronoun example table beginner friendly, as you can see here. I. Okay, that's how I want it. Okay, so I, you, he, she, it, they. Okay, examples: I'm happy, I'm happy. So teaching dialogue skip continue. Okay, I'm hungry, you are simply closing lines. So you can see that that's how I wanted that. Okay, I wanted a script but also the notes. I didn't get the note exactly as I wanted, but if I write the prompt better, then I can get it. So I just need to write the prompt better and I can get that. So that's what I'm gonna do, and I'm going to try. I just use the English teacher. I'm gonna try to repeat again and again different way and try to get a better result. Wasting time, it is much better. Okay, so meet you next day. Bye.